Hey, my name is Sam Soames. I'm a lineman for City of Richland. I'm going to give you a tour of one of our bucket trucks today. As a lineman, we build and maintain the power line system that you'll see all through the city. That's overhead and underground power lines. We work with high voltage. City of Richland runs 7,200 volts on their power system, and so we've got a lot of safety precautions that we follow, of course, with that. There's always hazards that come with heights and voltage, but as long as you keep your head clear and follow the safety precautions that we have and use our safety tools that I'll show you in this video, it's a fun, rewarding career. So we've got lots of bin doors and lots of things inside here for us, the tools that we're using. We've got these, we call them grunt bags, but what they do is you just fill them up with all kinds of tools and hardware, and you can hang them on a hand line and bring them up the pole for us when we're working overhead. And we've got more of our overhead hardware, all these like bolts, and we've got top pin glass, like you can picture on top of a power pole. Like this would be the very top, and this is where the conductor would go on this insulator. And we can move forward here, and lots more overhead hardware. This stuff is, they'll have wires coming on here, and this is for jumpers that come off of like your transformer that feed your house, and they hook onto here and go down onto the transformer, and that's how you have power inside your house. Cover for the bucket in case it's raining outside. We don't want the bucket to get full of water, so we're not standing in water. Extra harness for the other guy in the bucket, fire extinguisher, and we've got this is a load brake tool that we can hook onto our hot sticks, which I'll show you back there when we open up, break a load so that we don't have a big fire in our face. It's got slings. We use these slings quite a bit for rigging and hooking up stuff. This is our got hoists that we can hook on to one of those slings on the pole, and then we can drag it out to one of these grips. And these things open up, and that grabs onto the line up there, the power line, and it closes like this when it pulls, and that's how we can pull the line with the hoist. Got some more hardware here. We've got all kinds of insulators for insulating, like we were showing you over there, insulating the line on top of the pole. And we've got, these are called dead end shoes, so the wire actually pokes into here, and it's like kind of like one of those Chinese handcuff deals in it, and it'll grab onto it and inside there, and it can only go one way, so it doesn't come back out. Cut out doors, so we put fuses in here, and that's what like powers your house, your transformer. So if we open this up, it's like almost like a light switch, and that turns the power on and off. And if a squirrel or something gets up there, this protects it. There's a fuse in here that will blow and open this up so that there's no more power until we clear the problem. More insulators and stuff back here. We've got lots of insulators. These are for basically the same thing as that dead end shoe, but this is for guy wires, and this is what holds the pole straight up. If there's a lot of tension pulling a pole over, we'll put, the line that comes down at an angle and goes into the ground is called a guy wire, and that holds the pole up straight. And this is the dead end for the guy wire. Here, got lots of different, these are our hotline tools. So we call this one a shotgun, and these things are insulated at 100,000 volts per foot for 5 minutes. So that's why we can work on the power line safely, is because of tools like this. So we can go like this, and it can grab things. We can grab, I can pull on this rope, or I can pull on you know, I can pull on a line or something like that, and jumpers, all kinds of things. As actually I can show you, when we were over here, and I was showing you just like a device like this. So this will go up and actually grab onto that. I'm doing one hand. And we can go like this, and then we can turn. And that's how we tighten and loosen the hardware up there. So you'll notice that a lot of the hardware we have these little rings. And these little rings are for grabbing with our hotline tools. This is called a blade. And this thing pivots like this. And so there's an insulator on top of a pole with a power line on it, and the tie that holds the power line on that insulator, we can untie it and tie them with this thing. So you can actually, say this is like a tie wire on the pole, you can get it in there like this and, you know, unwind things. And this spins with it. This is one of our pretty commonly used tools, and it's a switch stick, and it's for opening and closing switches, almost like a giant light switch, like I was saying about this. Oh. So if we take these, again, it's got the little ring on it, and you put this stick right in here like this, and I'll be standing down there at that end of the stick, but I'm just doing this to show you. So we'll pull on this ring and it'll open up the gate, just like so you can open and close things. We love working out of these trucks. If at all possible, we definitely choose to use the truck. This thing, you can fly up and work up to like 60 feet. So got a lot of reach on it. We're able to reach over a garage or, you know, partially a house, and it's got quite a bit of reach on it to be able to get up there and do what we need to do. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed our tour of our bucket truck, and I hope everybody has a nice rest of the summer. If you want to know more about the City of Richland, visit the webpage below. And you guys have a great day. Thanks again.